Okay, so I'm just going to give you some words to help you distinguish, so to tell the difference between different vowel sounds. And really, the difference is all dependent on where I position my tongue. So let me start by showing you. The biggest sound in terms of movements is the ah sounds that we have in bat. Can you say bat?
Bat.
And then next up we have bet.
Bet.
And then bit.
Bit.
And then beat.
Beat.
So as you can see, we're moving up in level. So we start at bat,
Bat.
bet,
Bet.
bit,
Bit.
beat.
Beat.
Excellent. Let's see if you can do the other way. So we're going down. Beat,
Beat.
bit.
Bit.
Well done. Bet,
Bet.
bat.
Bat.
Very good. Sat,
Sat.
set,
Set.
sit,
Sit.
seat.
Seat.
Good. Latter,
Latter.
letter,
Letter.
litter,
Litter.
liter.
Liter.
Good. Mat,
Mat.
met,
Met.
mittens,
Mittens.
meat.
Meat.
Good. The cat sat on the mat, wrapped up in the mittens.
The cat
Sat
sat
on the mat,
on the mat,
wrapped up in the
Wrap-
mittens.
wrapped up in the mittens.
Good. The cat sat with her kittens
The cat sat on the kittens
and squashed them. The cat sat on the seat
The cat sat on the seat
with her kittens.
with her kittens.
With
With
her kittens.
her kittens.
Good. Do you want to press stop?